In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone sending green text messages. Let's get started. First, check iMessage settings. For that, launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find messages and launch it. Now over here, you're gonna find the option iMessage. Make sure you have enabled for the option. In case you have already enabled for this option, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. And you can click on the option send and receive. Make sure you have taken for the option of email address. Then enable for these options, send as SMS, likewise MMS messaging. Next up, what you want to do is head back, launch your preferred browser and test your internet. iMessage needs an internet connection, not cellular. A slow or unstable connection will force your iPhone to switch to green SMS text. So make sure you have stable internet connection. Lastly, what you want to do is reset network settings. For that, launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset and select the option Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With these, you'll be good to go, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix green text messages on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.